What's going on, guys? We are tearing into the Tacoma once again today. We've not really got to drive it a whole lot since the lift's been done because we noticed that the front fan is pretty wobbly. So we've got this new bracket here we're throwing on the front of it. We got to tear off all 3 of the accessory drive belts and start getting in there. So that's what we're working on today.
That line being loose over here.
You want me to open it? I got
those bolts on the heavier than the homemade one I made.
Jay. It's not very.
I just gotta use my muscles. Ah! Did you hear my shoulder pop?
That was your shoulder?
I may need some of the spaghetti fingers in here.
Here, hand me that bolt, Jake. Let me put that bolt back in. If I can. 12 all day, baby.
Well, I don't think that's the right bolt.
It's a tensioner bolt, isn't it?
I don't think it would be this one to loosen it on the bracket, wouldn't it?
Well, you gotta loosen both of them. Can you get me a 12 millimeter? Because that ain't gonna work. That was just too silly.
This top bolt, or at least this sucker.
Cranker.
Let me see what we got going on here.
Belt off. Alternator belt off. Power steering belt off. Don't need to remove the AC belt.
Does your AC work on this thing?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
Into this car, come to find out he came in for a fuel filter.
So I feel like a horse's ass on this one. I apologize. Your labor, you're looking at 10-hour labor on this. $200 an hour.
Horse's ass.
Honestly, what it came down to is just bad communication between all parties, and I do apologize.
Mostly on the customer behalf.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm sure you accept your blame.
Could have used Matt here.
Nah,
He's out now.
that's out of friend count.
There goes his 2%. You guys.
You don't think I know anything about 25-year-old
I
trucks?
think that part looks newer than the rest of it.
Okay, now we're freed up. There was some rust in it.
If you can't see where the bolts are that you're trying to get to, you can always look at your new part to find the map whenever you're trying to fit your hands down in there.
There it goes.
Sounded like noise.
Sounded like noise to me.
Get you with a little winter mix.
Seems like a lot of gusto on that sucker. That bolt's missing, which I appreciate.
I think there's only one more over on the opposite side there.
There's 2 on this side. I know my shroud bolts.
A little custom blend. You'll have to blur that bottle out because there's alcohol. I know all about breaking radiators.
I know what to do, buddy. Jake, take that to the cleanup shop.
Straight to the acid bath with that one.
No kidding.
Our machinist is gonna have a heyday with this.
Your leaking coolant over here.
What? Where?
Over here.
Oh.
That's not coolant. That's washer fluid. Why is it leaking?
I don't know.
Somebody was
Do you know who just filled it?
That's-
As great as you can.
Oh! I told you it was pressurized.
You didn't tell me.
It shot on me.
Watch out. Move your hand, Jake. Right into the freaking Carhartt. Thankfully, it's brand new.
No. You think that looks brand new?
I don't think, because it's got to come like pretty far out. You can see how long these things are. Got it.
Now, let's see if it actually looks bent.
I think it was just bad bearings in it. There. Just takes a little shaboozy. Is that bracketed in a position where we can get it back on?
That's what I'm trying to find out. The answer is no.
It's all flipped.
You need to like rotate all the way down.
There you go. You're getting it. Can you pull the power steering back up? There you go. See that? That's what it says. Perfect. What'd you get? Just
Thanks for getting all that pizza printed to you guys.
Dang, the fan really did chew up the radiator.
Yeah, your radiator's probably on its way out.
I hope so.
I'm working on getting this started.
Hey, brother, what's going on? You still thinking you're gonna make it out this way? What are you talking about, dude? We told you about this. Dude, I've had enough of your excuses with the not showing up to the filming days and stuff like this. You're not going to be included on anything that we do from moving forward. Alright, if that's how you want it to do. You're done, dude. You're off the channel. That's it. Forget about it, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, by the time we're done, we're gonna have like enough lightly used Tacoma parts to build another one
This
that's like.
truck is gonna be freaking sick.
Oh wait, no, I think these are right. I'm just an idiot. Just like a little.
Sponsors already. This is all I was saying. I'm gonna leave it loose so we can let you two guys handle this one.
I'm just trying to get to where Jake can. There we go.
So now I know Nick lives.
Well, you caught me. Alright, I got one here.
This vacuum line is missing, but yeah, dude, this.
Huh?
Before you get it tight, you can just spin it. Using the old finger wrench. You're here soon, boys.
Oh yeah.
Nick's gonna have to wear a GoPro.
I don't know what's going on. And you've got to show Miss Corwin. I'll hook it back onto your